Best tennis rackets. Choosing the right tennis racket can completely change how confident you feel on the court. But with so many options promising more power, control, and comfort, finding the right one can get confusing fast. So in this video, we've narrowed it down to 5 tennis rackets worth considering for different types of players, from beginners who want an easier, more forgiving setup to intermediate players looking for better feel and precision. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final pick offers one of the most interesting combinations of performance and playability on this list. So, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Head TS6 Tennis Racket. If you want easier power without swinging a heavy frame, this racket has a very specific advantage. It gives you a large, forgiving hitting area while staying surprisingly light in the hand. The TS6 is a strong fit for recreational, beginner, and intermediate players who want more consistency and less effort on everyday shots. Its 115 square inch oversized head gives you a bigger sweet spot, which can help make off-center contact feel less punishing and make clean shots easier to repeat. At just 8.6 ounces strung, it's also easy to maneuver. That matters when you're reacting quickly at the net, practicing for longer sessions, or simply trying to avoid a racket that feels tiring after a few games. The graphite and titanium construction adds stability without turning the frame into something bulky, while the extended 27.7-inch length gives you extra reach and leverage on serves and ground strokes. The open 16x19 string pattern can also make it easier to generate spin. What really makes this racket stand out is the combination of lightweight handling, an oversized sweet spot, and built-in power. Plus, it arrives pre-strung and ready to play. The trade-off is its head-heavy balance. Players who prefer a more neutral or headlight feel may want another option. For players who value forgiveness, easy power, and quick handling, the TS6 is an appealing choice. If you want to check the current price and latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 4. Wilson Tour Slam Tennis Racket. If you're getting into tennis and want a racket that helps you create power without making every swing feel complicated, the Tour Slam is built around exactly that kind of recreational play. This is mainly for beginners and casual adult players who want something straightforward, stable, and ready for the court. Its aluminum frame keeps the construction simple, while Wilson's volcanic frame technology is designed to add power and stability when you make contact. The power strings are another useful feature. They're designed to help generate more energy on your shots, which can be helpful if you're still developing swing speed and technique. Wilson also includes stop shock pads to reduce racket vibration. That matters because less vibration can make contact feel more comfortable and controlled, especially during longer practice sessions. The racket has a 3-point headlight balance, which can make it easier to maneuver when reacting to faster shots or moving between ground strokes and volleys. And since it comes strung, there's no extra setup before you start playing. One thing to consider is that this is clearly positioned as a beginner recreational racket. More advanced players looking for a lighter performance-focused frame with greater customization may want something higher-end. But for adults starting tennis, returning to the game, or playing casually, the Tour Slam offers a practical mix of power, stability, and comfort. If you want to check the current price and latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 3. Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14. If you like the control and feel of a performance racket but don't want a heavy frame slowing down your swing, this Pro Staff model offers a very interesting middle ground. It's designed mainly for intermediate players who want more precision, stability, and feedback without stepping into a heavier setup. At 9.49 ounces, the 97UL is the lightweight option in the Pro Staff family, making it easier to maneuver during quick rallies, defensive shots, and fast exchanges at the net. Wilson's braid 45 construction places double-braided fibers at 45-degree angles. The goal is greater stability and better ball pocketing, so contact can feel more connected and controlled rather than overly stiff. The denser string mapping is another key advantage. It focuses on precision and feel, which can help players who care more about placing shots accurately than simply generating maximum power. Wilson also uses paradigm bending to optimize how the graphite hoop and shaft flex during the swing. That gives the frame added flexibility, while still supporting the power required for modern strokes. It also comes pre-strung with Wilson Sensation 16, so it's ready to play without immediately choosing strings and tension yourself. The main consideration is player fit. Beginners wanting maximum forgiveness and effortless power may prefer a larger, more forgiving racket. But for intermediate players seeking lightweight maneuverability, precision, and classic pro staff feel, the 97 ULV-14 deserves serious consideration. If you want to check the current price and latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 2. Head Geo Speed Tennis Racket. If you're new to tennis and want a racket that feels easy to control without giving up useful power, the Geo Speed is designed around that exact balance. This is a strong fit for beginners and recreational adult players who want a comfortable, ready-to-play racket for lessons, practice, or casual matches. At 10.4 ounces, it stays manageable in the hand, helping newer players swing more smoothly without feeling like they're fighting the racket. The 105 square inch head gives you a practical hitting area that adds some forgiveness while still encouraging better stroke development. Head also uses a headlight balance, which improves maneuverability and can help reduce vibration. In real play, that means quicker racket positioning and a more controlled feel when you're working on accuracy. Another useful feature is Geo Power technology. Its shaft geometry is designed to increase both power and control, giving developing players extra assistance without making the racket feel overly demanding. The 27.5-inch length also provides a little extra reach, while the factory-strung synthetic gut setup means you can take it to the court without paying for immediate stringing. The main limitation is that this is clearly built for beginner and recreational play. More advanced players who want greater precision, customization, or a performance-focused frame may eventually outgrow it. But for someone learning the game and wanting easy handling, forgiveness, and convenience, the Geo Speed makes a lot of sense. If you want to check the current price and latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 1. Wilson Tour Slam Tennis Racket. If you want a forgiving racket that helps you generate easier power without demanding perfect technique, the Tour Slam is designed to make recreational tennis more enjoyable. This model is a practical choice for casual adult players and newer players who want a ready-to-use racket with extra forgiveness. Wilson's V-Matrix technology creates a larger sweet spot, which can make off-center hits feel less punishing and help you keep more shots in play. The power strings use longer strings to increase power, so you don't have to rely entirely on aggressive swing speed to get useful depth. Wilson also uses volcanic frame technology to improve stability, helping the racket feel more solid when the ball makes contact. Comfort is another important part of the design. Stop shock pads are included to reduce vibration, which can improve feel during longer practice sessions or casual matches. The Airlight alloy construction is designed to combine manageable handling with durability and power, and because the racket arrives pre-strung, you can start playing without arranging a separate stringing setup. One thing to keep in mind is that this is primarily a recreational racket. Players who are developing advanced technique and want more precision, feel, or customization may eventually prefer a performance-oriented frame. But for casual players who value forgiveness, easy power, and convenience, the Wilson Tour Slam is a sensible option. If you want to check the current price and latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description.